So, dear friends, that was a quickie, wasn't it? Yeah, and welcome to my channel on the playlist, our aviary for the budgies. In my last video, I showed you how the Chinese quails had surprised us with hatchlings, and that they were the very first to lay eggs and to multiply, so to say. And in this video I'm going to show you how the budgies, our dog is barking, he's envious because I take more care of the budgies. So in this video I'm going to show you how the budgies laid their first eggs, and they would breed and have hatchlings. Enjoy watching. Stay tuned. The aviary had perfectly developed. You can see the plants in the pots. They have a very, very lush and beautiful green. Here you can also see a swing with food for the birds. We also got a nice pair of cockatiels. Yeah, beautiful birds that perfectly fit to budgies. We also got some more budgies and a few Berg parakeets, these reddish budgie-like birds that beautifully fit in every aviary. They have approximately the same size as a budgie, and they are red. There aren't any red budgies in the world, so they, as I said, they add a color to the aviary. Here is a Berg parakeet cock. Well, the aviary on the paleo was not big enough for all the birds to breed, so I built another smaller aviary in our basement. I also bought a few big bird cages, and we stocked every cage with two budgies, a male and a female. The Berg parakeets and the cockatiels went into the basement aviary that was big enough for two couples, and here you can see the budgies that hopefully would breed in there, what they eventually did. When you keep birds in the basement, you need a bird lamp that substitutes the sun, so that the birds get into the right mood. So here we see a yellow budgie cock and a blue budgie hen. They perfectly agree. The budgie cock is feeding his hen that is sitting in the nesting box. Once she has started eggs, she doesn't leave the box anymore. So here are 5 eggs and the first little hatchling, a little ugly thing. Here the second one, the third one. Yeah, that budgies do not hatch at the same time. So, well, here's a naked little one that's being cleaned, and this one just got his ring. Here you can see the difference in size. I cleaned them every day because these nesting boxes can get quite dirty inside. That's the oldest hatchling sitting on my warm hand, and it does love sitting on a warm hand. So they are not shy, not at all. This little hatchling got yellow feathers. It was a little cock. So the first baby budgie is leaving the nesting box. They do not just hop out, so they sit in the little hole for ages and ages. And here there are 4 siblings. So the Berg parakeets were quite busy as well and laid some eggs. Here is the Berkey hen, and here are the hatchlings. They have a little fuzz on their body that keeps them warm. And last but not least, the cockatiels got in the right mood as well and started to make love. Their making love lasts a little bit longer, at least that's the impression I have. The budgie cocks leave the hen, jump off the hen faster than the cockatiels. They may make love for, well, more than a minute sometimes, and as one can easily see and recognize, they do enjoy it. So the cock uses his wings to keep the balance so that he doesn't fall off. And a few days later they had 5 eggs in the nesting box and started to breed. Unfortunately, they left the nesting box and the eggs died. I don't know why, but I guess that there was a big truck. There was some work going on in our yard, a truck that delivered gas for our heating, and I guess they had a lot of stress because of the loud engine of that truck. Well, here you can see our flock of birds sitting in front of our bedroom window. Thank you for having watched this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did so, please give me a thumb up, or maybe you even want to leave a subscription. See you soon. Bye bye.